time the ear I get pretty upon you, you run Ghana foreign for the medication. For the ear come back, I say the ear now come back, it turn you in a coolie. Your system is acquiredly immune to a deficiency syndrome and it turn you into a coolie, Indian coolie and chief, and it now come back.
You're going to suffer. That's what your son is doing. You are suffer at Jamaica, your son is suffer at foreign. When you like to project. Project literally, you are suffering, CuteBoss. You have a son who is selling battery and him can't maintain you. At the internet of your mind, you. How you work it out, my baby? Everything where you put your hand to feel, CuteBoss. Ask the seafood boil.
You is not the prize. I am the prize. I mean the spirit in you want. Me a light your darkness come off of the app. And go do some reflection and find your true self. Because you're battling between who you are and who you want to be. And then the next thing where you're battling with the career will gone left you. The career will leave you and gone and you don't know where it go. Because TikTok go open and show up other talents. TikTok open and show a lot of people got the same talent. Candy funnier than you. Me not see nothing funny about you bringing down humanity. I don't find you funny. Me not find you funny, Shitaba. Me find you disgusting. Me find you inhumane. Me find you projecting. Me find you deflecting. Me find you unhappy and sad. You is the first Batman I don't see no man want. No man no want you, no man na lust off of you, no man na go in your inbox, go look you, no man, and the Batman, and the way your Batman desperate and ever want man, and you are the first Batman, no Batman do in your inbox. 2007 you tell the Gleaner that you are marrying to Keisha Shaw. Sim big up, why you lying to yourself? Come down now. Every time the ear I get pretty upon you, you run Ghana foreign for the medication. For the ear come back, I say the ear now come back, it turn you in a coolie. Your system is acquiredly immune to a deficiency syndrome and it turn you into a coolie, Indian coolie and chief, and it now come back. One by one the plot them are gonna fall out. But you come and talk about rebel ketchup tin like you and CuteBoss here. Don't look no company with me. Don't look no company with me and about you and CuteBoss. It's a Rasta man and my father and I saw this rough. You see no pretty.
You realize that you and I don't cut from the same cloth because you're one of bubblegum material. You realize that? An Indian linen this, you know? No, you just realize all of them something there. I'm going to have it up for a man in a blow like a dragon. A pear steamer come through your nose. You realize that, CuteBoss? Every single thing you want to make it bounce right back on you. So all you get up about, and him not like this, and him not CuteBoss, I hate your skin. Me have always if it talks to me hate your skin. Your skin is ugly. Your skin is not trending. You can't put yourself together because even now you cuss me under filter. Even now you argue with me, you tight under filter. Because you shame of your image. But yet still, you stand up for humanity. Stand up for yourself a little. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of who you are. All your arms, them CuteBoss. Look, but can even come so. You see lump. Make it make sense. So when you sit down and you have Google stuff, Google no know nothing about me. I have 4 birthdays upon Google for me. 4. Google no know one thing about me. Number 2 again, since Bad Boy Trevor is on the app right here, call Bad Boy Trevor. Ask Bad Boy Trevor some things about me because I pure good things in the African talk. Me not ask you. It's when it comes to money, Bad Boy Trevor I gotta tell you say Shebada is money. Ask him Ask back, and I'm not a big bad boy Trevor for pick up for me now, but since una walk I look Tory. Ask bad boy Trevor when me I work with them, me name in the good book. Good book. Ask him, just ask him. I mean, I ask him to pick up for me, you know. You understand me? But ask him. Ask bad boy Trevor, because as bad to bad, him can't tell you say me, a girl will run down money. So sometimes he must wonder how me I survive. So when you talk about buy gas and beg buy gas, if me there beg buy gas, I couldn't live like how me I live a foreign, you know. Because I guess me used to beg people buy me $5,000. Come on, man, CuteBoss. Come on. 5 grand? Huh? $5,000? CuteBoss, you don't know nothing about me. And that's why I can't talk anything come on my mouth, because me never shit a road and leave it. I cover it like post. I always out the door and what do me? Then when you want to see in my house a slot, when you want to see in the house, I saw me do live all the times and nothing new. No care where me go, you got always say one position. CuteBoss one thing with me, they say anything I say about anybody, me stand 10 toes down with what me say about anybody. So when you come with the Kaylan argument, you Kaylan and Kaylan mother come suck out the tightest part of my hole. I want on the lip whistle. Yeah, anything at all me say, me can't own it. That's the difference between you and I. Remember me not come on the app for look, my friend. The sister when them don't know nothing, them just keep fabricating. And everything when them say them have no proof. You cook the egg till it turn. Look here, I hatch it a hatch. I hatch it a hatch. Where you eat me for too cute, too sweet, I hatch it a hatch. Yeah, you don't know nothing about me. CuteBoss, if I want a phone right now, all me have to do a come on the app come big like Uno. And me get more than a phone. You never know. CuteBoss, me sit down in my yard and get 5 barrels. Me, sit down on my fridge top and order 5 barrels. You never know that, CuteBoss. And me open them in front of you. I vex you, me tell the truth, oh, you're nasty. And me don't know how people eat from you. And right here so you sit down. Right here so you sit down, CuteBoss. And when you sit down so, see ya? Yeah. Show that the place right here so say yeah, and you spit right down because you're that type of girl, you're nasty. You're nasty, so your seafood them not sell, and them never did ever sell CuteBoss. So if you are so powerful and gifted, why your business flop by my words? Work out the part there and get back to me. To me. Yeah. Why? If you so gifted and powerful and you have the gift of discernment and you stand up to humanity and everything that I am saying is inhumane. You understand me? Work out that part. You're not too nasty. Remember Alice did a sell crab and shit in the bucket right there. So you're just like Alice. You're a nasty girl if you sell chemical. A chemical if you sell acid, retail bleach. And them something that them strong something where you have to wear mask and serve. If you stand up for humanity and you have the gift of discernment, why am I have you up this morning and chastise people? Are you not pray? Did you stop to pray this morning? Did you need just one moment to say, why am I have you up this morning? You are pressed and bothered by me. You are pressed and bothered by me and anything when I say. Cause you know say my words are law. You know my words are law, my baby. You know I never tell a lie. And oh you stay and realize say you do business, you know. And oh you stay and realize say you handle food, you know. And so you stay. You're a nasty individual. CuteBoss, let me tell you the truth when God love. The people them in your life I say me eat him, is them supposed to eat me. Then you think me man, after me never come here for look no friend. You come here to look friends. CuteBoss remember you beggy, you know. Remember you beg the whole of your chat, you know. Remember you run up and down in a people inbox, you know. Remember you text and people take long for reply, you know. Come now, cute boss. Remember you text them and them take long to reply. Kayla's mother can't cuss me because she a thief. Because she use a little girl money by fireman vehicle and them spread out. Kayla's mother a artist and then she a preacher. Kayla's mother a hula hoop. Oh, Kayla's mother can't class me. That's why misery love company. The whole of them have to group up. Because me tear down the whole of them, so them have to group up. Remember me stop Kayla's mother from robbing the app one day. Remember the other day when time them come and hustle is me stop them. Remember when time them come and tell life and the sick say the sick can't talk. Don't the sick attack? Okay. Remember me no go label. So Kayla's mother and CuteBoss can come suck me backwards. Remember it's me. Remember things you're unafraid for talk, I will speak it. That's the difference. That is the difference. So Kayla's mother look her come up, she look more money. Remember around them time them beg to, you know. Remember them not have no chill. Remember Kayla come up pretending say she dumb to get more money. Who did remember that? The other day, Kayla come up and say she dumb, she need this and them owe hospital about $40 million. Remember? Because things are give up on the app. Remember it's me stop them. Remember it's me stop them. Me no fear no fall. And at that CuteBoss, me say when me look on CuteBoss, when them send me CuteBoss screen recording and me look on CuteBoss vex, you can see the hatred in her face. Hear me, wow. What a beauty. Me say to all CuteBoss face crush up underneath the filter, you know. Me say Ivan is very talented. I wonder if it's Ivan sketch this. For true, me have to ask if Ivan sketch this. Me say the lady cuss, she cuss a piece of anger in the lady burger. It's true. You can imagine? CuteBoss me have you pressed like a panini. Me have you pressed. Me have you pressed. But you catch up your ear from in the head miggle. At least you have head miggle, me not have none. Me have edges. Me have edges and you have middle. Yeah? But now like the lady pressed. And every minute you talk about enjoy hungry. No, CuteBoss. You get that wrong. I mean know people still a check. And I say, Jai can't hungry. Number one, my brother with the yard, him love cook cause him love him belly. Him love cook. So food is not a problem at that house. Food isn't a problem. How about you? Your son come from school and him hungry, CuteBoss. A lady with lump story. Anybody where you see on the internet with lump, I see that. CuteBoss just ate my voice, she ate see me coming. Remember Rosalie pay you one day for come cuss me? And you end up in a wrong? Remember Rosalie come out one day and pay you for cuss me, CuteBoss? And you chuck out? Eh? You remember? And it never go good because you don't have no information for me. When it comes to food, CuteBoss and me feed people. Yeah, Big Bird, the yellow cab. The have a press from morning, from after 6 CuteBoss course, and then you say you're God-fearing. I could have never use 6 o'clock for argue with nobody. After me there in England, I could have never use 6 o'clock. No, the sibling is not lying. I could have never use 6 o'clock for argue with nobody. 6 in the morning. Could I never do it, CuteBoss. Then you think say they're gonna make a money off of me? Huh? I have your person, I have your week. Your son the right wish for me, then you have your hide. Your son the right wish for me, then your son should have sent you money. You should have done live in a Western Union and security I take away your phone. Me don't know how your son I use him back with pum pum and can't support him mom. You know see that? Your son a big batty man a foreign plus culture. And your son can't make you no better. I talk we talk CuteBoss with no animosity today Friday. Friday. Another animosity time. We just attack. Yeah. Slim and Trim and now for go to gym and argue with Lump and Stump. And you will argue with Big Bird. Yellow Cab. Me not understand. And what did your class me? You say you take show up, but my son, your mother not have nothing to eat today. Send me $50 and him say, Mommy, me not there home. Then him after there home. Then two people. I will take off my clothes and I will strip in the bush and then him after there home for send him. So from your son, they're friend him not certified. Front way side, we not even back ways. Him not certified. Me never know say you have to there home for said this is Western Union your son. Let me take two off of this year because CuteBoss now mash up my Friday. Can't mash up my Friday. CuteBoss, you know, said more eat steak in the morning than I can order it. Remember the Sunday when you cost me a 3 meat, me did I eat for breakfast? And I know. Remember the Sunday when CuteBoss. Hey! Who remember the Sunday when CuteBoss cost from morning till night? Who remember that Sunday there? I mean eat pan CuteBoss about 3 times. Who remember that Sunday there? Eh? From me get up me and them 3 meat pan Cute and she cost. CuteBoss cost until she reach a river. Hey, CuteBoss differently, you know you're funny. You're funny differently still, you know. Me say nothing when you talk hurt me. Me just have to look for you and laugh. You're funny, you know. No, for sure. You cost some morning. So till one time a river you end up. River. And then you come back in the night and you put on. That's the time Rosalie did pay you. For cost me, you did do a full day's work, you know. You could have looked after old people. Yeah, you could have do a living work. Hey girl, you cost me in the morning, you know. And all you cost me, I eat the 3 meat them for breakfast. And I consider where am I going to have lunch. And then you say me go out and have lunch. And then me I consider what am I going to have for dinner. You remember? Only Queen, you remember? At that beat, you know. You see, because me not boss. You see, if me did boastful, maybe we need to show more respect. But I don't need no respect. I don't need it. That is the beauty because it's meaningless to me. But me meaningful to uno. You never see that? You never see that, my baby? You're meaningless to me because if you are trying to tear me down from morning and me just use one word and mash up your seafood business, how it work? What does that say? Because people see the truth. You are a nasty lady, very nasty, and that you envy me for, and that you have me up for, because me talk the truth. Now CuteBoss, if you are a truth speaker, why are you offended over the truth? Why are you offended over the truth? Why are you offended over the truth? You concerned how much people like you on the app. I don't. Honestly to God, who like me, me appreciate them. Who not like me, me still appreciate them. You know why? Jesus did wear makeup on him head based on we. And him did drink vinegar, we give him it. But guess what? Him did still stand up and do good. Why not find a church and go? Why you hate church, CuteBoss? Why not find a church and go? Only salvation alone can press up them lump out of your body. Only salvation alone can back your age like a ratchet knife. Why not find a church and go? The funny part about life, enough lie when I tell about me, you know. Hey. Enough lie when I tell about me, say, if you want to know nothing about me, and you feel like me and bad boy Trevor used to work, call Trevor and ask Trevor about me. Call bad boy Trevor and ask him about me. He might go say Shebada name in that good book. I mash up Kaylan mother begging. And that she ate my fam. I mash up CuteBoss business and I mash up Kaylan mother's begging. Yeah. So the two of them have to join together. Now Miss J.A. You see me and the whole of them are working and can bump it, you know. And we can class with one another, you know. But you see when it narrow down to the truth, Miss J.A. Bad boy Trevor cannot say Shebada run down money. Sometimes them have to wonder how me survive because not no meaningful to me but salvation. That's what I miss. You see me have a humble spirit. Me have a humble spirit. You get what I say? And God teach me that because of Franklin town I come from. We're supposed to be aggressive for life. And me have a humble spirit. When you see me take up all Kaylis, Mudfish and Kayan and carry them go for it because I want them have a better life. I want them no success. You understand me? When you see me can take up people and carry them go all over the globe, it must say something. It must say something. So you see all of them people here chat about me and they're like, bad boy Trevor them don't know that. Ask bad boy Trevor if him ever hear AIDS or HIV call for my name yet. Ask him. Ask him. That's why me not pay them people your mind when them talk. Because customers not bring good words. So people have to dig up material and create material, fabricate things to argue. Ask them. Me and them people are never hang out yet, so them don't know nothing about me. Ask bad boy Trevor, them me not frightened for nothing. Ask Trevor, if Trevor come on tour with me, Trevor can keep back all fee money in them pockets. So ask Trevor. Ask bad boy Trevor. Once you par with me, your belly half full of your clothes, your back half you have clothes. Ask bad boy Trevor. Ask him a piece of blessing walk with me there. I'm undeserving of it, but you see because God promised and he's not slack concerning his promise. Ask them. Ask them. Ask them. So when them people sit down on the app and them attack, me not pay them no mind at all. Not one thing near mine, me not pay them. Me not pay them no mind. So when you hear people get up and say, well, Shebada have AIDS, and Shebada this, and Shebada that, me laugh. Me laugh. Then you think say me have a problem with them talking? People man have to dig into the dirt for something. Dig down. Yeah, you know, see how him look. Ask them a year's my year pretty because I drop out a coolie mother and an Indian father. A long time my ear pretty, my blessed on both hands, the left and the right. Ask them. Yeah, ask them. Ask bad boy Trevor how me take care of my mother. First and foremost, before you come with the mother argument, ask bad boy Trevor. Because since him are the closest one to you, no, and him are the closest one to me, ask bad boy Trevor. Wanna stop fabricate things, man. Wanna stop fabricate things. Ask them. Me not leave my mother out and So when CuteBoss still gonna Google things, CuteBoss around Google your Google. Go Google your skin. Go Google your skin, CuteBoss. Your skin want a steaming iron. You never know. People who don't know nothing about me no for course no, but when they talk the truth about on it hurt to know. Remember out a door CuteBoss wash pan sidewalk. Out a door. Exactly Dispelling. Exactly. If me have a dollar, me run go give my mother. Make she eat and me so long and hold the fasting. You never know. Exactly. Everybody have AIDS for them. Everybody have AIDS for them, Miss J.A. That's why I come and assault now. Everybody have AIDS for them. And nobody sex out a condom like them. Nobody walk and collect semen like them. When them mouth and them all full, them take the rest of them and you never know. You never know, me say, CuteBoss, I never know say my words mash up your business. Are you come confess? Are you come confess? Jolly Wagwan girl? Are you come confess? I never know. My words mash up your seafood business because in all fairness, you see an easy way to make some money because you think say you're at on the app. But seafood, and you're nasty like Alice. Because I wonder if you cannot sell food and you not put yourself properly together, although a big jilla here you have. Wrap up your head. Wrap up your head. You want to see her sit down and spit which part she has served. A spit. You nasty CuteBoss. These are nasty germs. You know, me notice with nasty people and I like feed the crowd. And that me notice with one have several seats. Have several seats. Someone if Andrew only knows so you're not fully immunized. Huh? Have several, you're too nasty. And at that burn you, at that feeling that you carry. At that feeling that you carry, your son a shit pan him own. Cause your son body loose like a convention, like revival take it. Your son body get deliverance, it just loose. Eh? Let us talk about that. To how you shame your son. You have to go down at the seaside, on a waterfront, go see if you see him. You call Papi. Papi, like him they go swim, come up to mommy. Are you alone? Are you alone come and expose your son batty liberty? You should have exposed him batty life when he mind you. You should have exposed him batty life when he broke. Acting off the emote body. No, it's true. Yeah, batty man. My son a batty man, you know. Me and your son don't cut from the same cloth. That is it. We don't cut from the same cloth. Yeah, we don't. Your son over here and can even make you look better. CuteBoss, they me never know say last night you me tell you say I pay zinc fence close the way, but it's true CuteBoss. Every time you dress up, me think you in your community same way. I can't believe say Airbnb in here. I can't believe say you go out. Me say CuteBoss when me see you, me don't know if I for your birthday or what, but the other day you dress up, girl. Me not in a your favor yellow cab, little mouse me go say. Go see you stop and ask me where me I go. For true, honestly, you don't know if you put yourself together because clothes no look good for you. You never wow the internet yet. It's just not a wow factor. One stop driver, let me have. For true. I pay them always pay CuteBoss. Them always pay CuteBoss to come at me. CuteBoss are one of them who sit down on the app and collect money. Didn't I say this soon already? CuteBoss is a perfect epitome of somebody who will set up money in them area. CuteBoss, and me tell you this already. Me tell you this already. So she will set up money in her area. You never know. CuteBoss are not one of them where you can make area business because her mouth is not hers. Me talk this over and over and over. Nobody don't believe me. You don't have to believe me. Can they want my baby? You don't have to believe me, but you stand up for humanity. And you're so nasty. Which part of humanity you stand up for? Riverton dump. And most the dump part of Riverton you stand up for because you favor garbage. Literally you favor garbage, CuteBoss. Honestly. Me never see a woman say she come out strong from people yet under filter. And she in her house and still look better and smoother. And you're the only black girl me say fight for white filter. No, it's true. Mighty God, me say from 6 o'clock CuteBoss a course. From 6 o'clock, CuteBoss get up on a course before you play some gospel. Big Jill the sound in the background. Eh? No, for real. You notice nobody can invite one nowhere because on a leech, on a lift from people. From 6 in the morning, CuteBoss, come on, man. You're a big woman and today a Friday. You're going to suffer. That's what your son is doing. You are suffer at Jamaica, your son a suffer at foreign. Wanna like to project? When I like to project, literally, you are suffering, CuteBoss. You have a son who is selling battery and him can't maintain you. At the internet of your mind, you. How you work it out, my baby? How you work it out? Everything where you put your hand to feel, CuteBoss. Ask the seafood boil. Everything where you put your hand to feel. So who is suffering? We just attack, you know. Because today is Friday, you know, mash up my Friday. She not eat nothing from morning. From morning. Me say me frightened a while ago. When how much message come in, CuteBoss I said this, CuteBoss I said this. CuteBoss go in again, you're wrong. Where you beg people phone? That party, I want you just go to bad boy Trevor with that party. Just go to bad boy Trevor with this. Not tell him say me send you, you know. You understand me? Use your head pan him. Don't call me name in a girl. But I want you go to bad boy Trevor with that party. Say bad boy Trevor, come here. You hear? You call him in a no crowd. Out of the crowd. Hey girl, don't call me name. Else now go answer you properly. Call bad boy Trevor and say, Trevor, come here. When you used to work with Shebada, when you used to work with Shebada, him used to becky. And you go hear, you go see how Trevor spitting in your face. You see how Trevor spit in your face. Just call him one side. Yeah? Because I don't want him spit in your face publicly. Ask him if Shebada beggy. And one thing Bonnie Allen. You see Bonnie Allen, as much as how me class the man and cuss the man, because I don't want nobody class him about me. You see, as much as how me class him, Bonnie Allen said, don't even beg the people them around you for a sweetie. I will never forget that. Because me no beggy from morning, but when the man they reiterate, and when the man they push it down in me, and say, don't even beg your co-workers a sweetie. Latifula, don't even. I could never come on the app you come beg you no. Bonnie would have shame. Bonnie would have shame me like a dog. You never know. You never know that. So CuteBoss, me want you ask bad boy Trevor if I throw me a dog. Me no want you loud it up. Me want you just ask him if I throw me a dog. Just ask him. Ask Trevor. Me and the boy did the tour over and over the world and ask him if me ever pressure promoter. Ask him if me ever nobody can buy me out. Me no you CuteBoss. Nobody can tame me. Ask bad boy Trevor. No say me say. Just ask him. One like you know. Yeah, just ask him. Exactly, Elachin. Me no stay so. So you see when it comes to you talking about me I beg people buy me cylinder twice in a month. Lies. From the pit of hell. If you have the gift of discernment, you don't know say a lie you tell. Lies. When you talk about say me I beg people buy me phone, me I cost them. You must be dream. You want happy kind of people them string me up like a puppet and me dey panic. You must be dreaming. You must be dreaming. Make it make sense. You just make it make sense. So stop Google argument and go Google your skin. Ask Google or chat GPT. Ask them how your skin stays so. Ask Grok. Just ask them. Exactly, Page British. Me no know how people sit down and listen to some foolishness. You know, one thing with me, you know, is if I say you start chat foolishness, me can't listen to you no more. Me can't listen to you no more. Ask them. Exactly. See it here? Me get this as a gift and I never ask for it. Ask people. Ask the people then, because when me get this, me frightened. Me I say, what me I do with this? I'ma have one iPad in my yard, plus one laptop, plus one desktop. What me I do with this? And them say, just for your review on the internet. Because when you're on the internet, through me know you use your phone, more you can say X, Y, Z, Z, Y, and E. Yeah, just like that, CuteBoss. So if me I get this, if I want a phone, I could have a dozen phone and I walk around like me a scammer. Yeah, I could. I could, my baby. I could. Me not have to sit down here and tell lie to get gifts. Me not have to sit down here and show people underneath the bus to get gifts. Because all when they give them a come in, me I tell them, say later, later, later. You can do that? Can you do that? No, Pooh is not lying. My attitude that way them envy me for, but you stand up for humanity. Go stand up for your son, bottom of your skin. Go and stand up for your son, bottom of your skin cap and life the boy flap you. Your son shame how you look. Your son shame how you carry yourself. You never know that. Your son shame. Mommy take off that off of your head, you favor old girl, but you can't help it. Your age just not working for you. You're too mature for 38. I know you're 39, you're too mature. Your skin just not working with your age. Something wrong, you have an imbalance. Come with facts. Come with things were factual. You should have never talk out of your mouth, say my words mash up your seafood business. Can't remember your seafood just did full of shrimp and boiled egg. Yeah, remember it was a knockoff. Them say she had 39 in her dog years. Just through my tell her yesterday, say, CuteBoss be not in the life, every time I see your skin, CuteBoss just look like split tail. She just favor split tail for true. And that hurt her. Just because I tell her say she favor split tail. Then I know say you should have come to me. You should make them pay you for customer because you're not that one. You're not that one to match up with me. That's 58. It's true. Old and wrinkle. She make everybody afraid of age. From CuteBoss dep on the app, she accuse her old. From you come on the internet, you accuse your old. And it's true, you and your son have the same old. You don't have the old when you're in failure. It's just the truth. And that hurt her. You know, people not like so when you put yourself together. CuteBoss, it's a little bit too late for you. It's a little, if I know you are put sometimes I want to keep a straight face, but we have to remember the things that I laugh. If you just put together now, it's a little bit too late. It's just a little bit too late for you to be putting together. CuteBoss coming like the host in a dancehall queen with the man from the light post say, yeah man, him over the old Bundong building. You favor the Bundong building. You favor the Bundong building for sure. When I watch dancehall queen when she say, hello, hello sir. You see my brother Junior? And the man from the light post say, yeah. Him over the old Bundong building over there, sir. Alright, thank you. You keep coming back. When you're used to the play, CuteBoss me still the play. It's my choice. It's my choice to sit and live life because I've been working for 14 years straight. Oh, you never know that part there. You never know that part there. You never know that part there. Me I travel up and down for 14 years straight. Me I reach a me yard a morning time. Me and the sun are run competition. You know, because the sun rises in the east and me I drive from the west. You never know that. Some things you don't know about me. Some things you don't put on here. CuteBoss, when last you work? Speaking of working, when last you work?